So hello YouTube, this is Riced Out 12 valve, and I've had the truck about 3 months. I'm about to do a cold start for you, but I put a steering stabilizer on here. Has 100 over injectors, number 0 fuel plate, and that's about everything I've done to the truck since I've gotten it. It's got a built tranny, and I traded it for I had a 99 7.3 6-speed before this, and this is what I got now. It's about 20 degrees. I'll do a cold start for y'all, so set the GoPro down and turn it on for you. She pretty well never fails me. A little rough starting, but it definitely starts better than my 7.3. It's a very dependable truck. I drove it all the way from Missouri, and I'm in northern Montana right now. Steady snowing. Truck sat for a couple days, but there's the cold start for you. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.